Young man enters a small rented room, fan spinning, cracked walls, mattress on floor. He checks phone, SMS alert pops up, 25,000 rupees received. Screen text overlay, 25,000 rupees per month, just got paid. Room zoom out reveals basic setup, shared kettle, slippers, books in plastic bag. Let me take you back. I used to earn 25,000 rupees a month. Living in a small rented room. Splitting bills. Eating anda paratha for dinner, 4 nights a week. Rapid montage of events draining money. Friend hands him a birthday invite. Mobile recharge screen flashes, low balance. WhatsApp from Ami Red Heart, Beta, 3,000 rupees urgent chahi. Coins and cash animate dropping into a dark black hole labeled, savings plan. Character size and watches account balance shrink. And every time I tried to save, something would come up. A friend's birthday. A mobile top-up. Ami needed help. And boom, gone. Character daydreams. Fancy suit. Desk job. Bank balance growing. Reality snap. Same character with slightly better clothes. Phone shows, 92 rupees available. He gulps and looks into the mirror. I kept saying, I'll save when I earn more. And eventually, I did. But guess what? I was still broke. Close-up of character looking in the mirror. Background fades into blur. Floating words animate around his head. Discipline. Habits. Choices. Fade into black screen with white text. It wasn't about how much I made. It was that I never learned how to keep it. End screen says, coming up, how I finally started saving, even with a small income. Why? Because I never learned how to keep money. It wasn't about the amount, it was about my mindset.